Well, Sean, what will the impact be on HBCUs? I mean, I've been seeing a lot of arguments and a lot of different comment sections like, well, black people should just go to this is from black people. Black people should just go to HBCUs anyway. Like, we should stop trying to reach over in their pot. What's your response to that?
Yeah, I love that you asked me this question, especially as a very proud alumnus of Albany State, a publicly black university in Georgia. I'm so proud of my HBCU roots. Um, I wrote another piece for Forbes. Look, I've been all over this the past 5 days. So I wrote another piece for Forbes in which I acknowledged that Howard University is among a handful of HBCUs. As a single institution, Howard enrolls more black students than all 8 Ivy League universities combined. And it's not just Howard, it's also Morgan State and Florida A&M and Tennessee State and a couple other HBCUs that I name in the Forbes piece. The point here, right, is that HBCUs have always done more than their fair share in offering college opportunity to black students. And they've always done it without discriminating against applicants from other racial groups. We can't say that about the Ivies and other predominantly white institutions, but we can say that about HBCUs. So I am confident that HBCUs are going to continue to overperform in providing college access to very talented black students. One of the things that I made clear in the Howard University article and the article about the other HBCUs is that I think it's important to make sure that people don't misunderstand that HBCUs are simply places of rejects, right? Filled with black students who really low-key wanted to go to UCLA or wanted to go to University of Michigan or wanted to go to Dartmouth but got rejected. No, there are lots of very talented black Americans who deliberately choose HBCUs because of
Absolutely. You're speaking to one.
yes, right?
Yes, a
We
proud
yeah,
Howard alum. Proud one.
yeah, right. So it's not that we were all just rejects and we ended up at these like second choice schools. No, many of us chose HBCUs because they are so identity affirming, culturally inclusive, and so on. So I think that one outcome of the Supreme Court's ban on affirmative action, is that I do think that HBCUs are going to get an even larger share of our nation's most brilliant black students, whom the other institutions, convince themselves that they can't recruit or attract. That's going to be a
Mhm.
win for HBCUs, actually.